Hi, my name is Jeremy Kearns and I'm one of the custom clothiers here at Jaxson Maximus. Today I'm going to teach you how to tie the perfect bow tie. Bow ties can be intimidating because people don't know how to tie them, but in fact they're actually quite easy. There's just a couple things to remember, so I'll tell you them right now. So you're going to have your bow tie right here, and you have to make sure that one end is longer than the other. So when you're first tying, it's just like a shoelace where both sides cross each other. You want to make sure that the longer side goes over the shorter side, and then the longer side comes up just to make that first knot. You want to tighten this on because this is the part that's going to be around the neck. The longer end, put it to the side. The shorter side of the bow tie you then are going to bring over to actually start the shape of the bow tie. You can see here it's kind of starting to look like that. Now it's very important to keep the loop side of the bow tie on this side. Don't do this. Okay, so this way. Then we have the long side of the bow tie again. We're going to drape that over the middle. And you can see here the bow tie is coming more into form. A trick that you want to do here is now pinch these two together to keep this in place. Give it a little pull and you'll see a hole form right there. Now you're going to get the smallest part of the long end of the bow tie and bring it and push it through. You don't want to push it too far because then all of the fabric will come out. So at this point the bow tie is pretty much finished, but we want to fine-tune it and make it look even nicer by tightening it up. When you're tightening it, it's just like a shoelace. If I pulled these two, it would come undone. If I pull these two, it tightens up. But we're just kind of adjusting it to make it look real nice. And there you have it, the perfect bow tie.